Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make DIY nail polish girl bottle nail polish. So for that you need a clear polish bottle. Well, I was having my clear nail polish in there and I have poured it out. So you need a clear polish bottle, and then you need a bowl in which you're going to mix your ingredients to make this recipe at your home. So first ingredient you need is a moisturizing jelly. You could know it by name Vaseline, but like I'm using the Johnson's one. So you have to take a finger and finger amount. You can just put it in the bowl. The second ingredient you would need is oil, and you need oil in just a small cap, and you can pour it on the bowl and make sure you pour it. Okay, so this is what you need is the second ingredient, and the third ingredient you need is a garlic paste. Well, it's a garlic paste, or you can crush garlic and make it paste. You can take garlic and you can crush it, and but I'm just having the direct crushed peel garlic. I have it. So you can take it with a spoon or anything, and you can pour it, or you can keep it in the bowl. Yes, so this is your third ingredient done. Next you need a clear polish, nail drops of clear polish, and you can pour it in the bowl. Yes, and then you're going to mix it. I'm going to use a cotton bud and I'm going to mix it in the bowl. So you need to mix it really well. So it will be hard to mix. It will be hard to mix the clear and scented jelly because it's not like mixable, but you need to mix them properly. It may take time, but it's fine. You have to mix it properly. Well, so it's done. Well, for taking it into a bottle, you'll need something good. So I'm just using an injector to pour it. When you suck this one, and you can put it in the nail polish easily. Like you take it. So it's that easy. It's too damn easy, exactly. Well, you can see like sometimes like some things that which is being disturbed, you can just pour it off, take it off with this. Now when you suck that one, the injector, now you can pour it in the nail polish, clear nail polish bottle. So like you're done with it. Yes, so it's fine. Yes, well, you should not waste the leftovers, because like you can make it for a month. You can keep it for a month and you can apply it on your nails. Well, if you have any allergies with any of these products, I recommend not to use it, only if you have allergies, because I'm nowhere responsible in that. So you need to know like which products are you fine with. Well, now it's done. And before using it, you need to shake the bottle well, so there's like no ingredients stuck at a place together. So you can mix in the ingredients. It's fine, I guess so. Yes, let me mix more and done. So you can get it. Now you can apply it on your nails if you want to grow your nails long in a very short time. So you can apply it the sides of your cuticles. It can also going to moisture your cuticles. You can apply it as how you apply the nail polish, because like it's gonna moisture, nothing more, and it's gonna help make your nails grow. You can even put it inside your nails. You can do it, and you can, of course, you can massage it. So guys, this is done, and if you really want to grow your nails, you need this growth nail recipe. So here is it, and make your own today and use it and grow your nails so fast. Meet you soon in another video. Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye bye.